Okay, this song is Dollhouse by Melanie Martinez. Hey girl, open your walls, play with your dolls. We'll be a perfect family. When you walk away, it's very rarely you play. You don't hear me when I say, Mom, please wake up, tied to the slide. And your son is smoking cannabis. No one ever listens, wallpaper listens. Don't let them see what goes down in the kitchen. Places, places, get your places. Throw on your dress and put on your doll faces. Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtain. Picture, picture, smile for the picture. Pose with your brother, won't you be a good sister? Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtain. DOLLHOUSE, I see things that nobody else sees. DOLLHOUSE, I see things that nobody else sees. Hey girl, look at my mom, she's got it going on. You're blinded by jewelry.